Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Netlify, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you sign up and create a Netlify account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a Netlify account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're building websites with AI with services like Bolt.new, you know that if you have a Netlify account, it's really easy to deploy those projects. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in netlify.com. Check my video description. I'll try to leave my referral link there. But I've already pulled up their website and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to create a Netlify account, you want to go ahead and click here on the blue sign up button here on the top right. Okay, once you do that, you have these options to sign up for Netlify. You can sign in with GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket, or you can do what I do and just click right here and sign up with your email. Okay, once you do that, you want to go ahead and enter in your email and create a password and click on sign up. So I'm going to do that off screen. Okay, I entered in my login details. I'm going to click sign up. Okay, Netlify does send a message to my email to verify my email address. So I'm going to go ahead and check that email and click on the link. Okay, now in order to create your Netlify account, after clicking on the link, it brings you here to this screen. So they're going to ask you a series of questions, including your first name, your last name, how you plan on using Netlify, what kind of site you're going to build, what's your role at your company, and then how big is your company, and the name of your team. So I'm going to go ahead and fill this in off screen. Okay, I entered in all the required information. I'm going to click right here, continue to deploy. Okay, now they're asking if you want to go ahead and deploy your first project. So you can choose from here. Or for me, I'm going to go ahead and skip this step for now. Okay, a quick second later, it brings me here to my Netlify dashboard. So now we can go ahead and start deploying projects inside Netlify. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to sign up and create a Netlify account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.